In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy agency hosting at Hostinger for 2025. Whether you're setting up your own agency for the first time or updating your current hosting solution, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid understanding of how to navigate Hostinger and purchase the hosting plan that best suits your needs. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to Hostinger's website. Open your preferred browser and type in the address bar the URL for Hostinger's homepage. This is your go-to spot for accessing all of the services Hostinger has to offer. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if it's your first time visiting the site. Next, once you're on Hostinger's homepage, you'll notice a menu at the top. Go ahead and click on Domains. This section is crucial for anyone looking to host their website, as it gives you access to all domain-related features that Hostinger offers. After you've clicked Domains, you'll see an option that says Get a New Domain. Click on this to start the process of purchasing a new domain. This step is important because the domain is essentially your website's identity on the internet, so choose something that is both memorable and relevant to your agency. Now, with your domain sorted out, it's time to click on Websites. This feature allows you to manage all aspects of your site. It's important for customizing your online presence and ensuring everything runs smoothly for your visitors. Once you're in the Websites section, look for the button that says Add Website. Clicking this will enable you to set up a new site with Hostinger. This is a great opportunity to utilize Hostinger's user-friendly tools and templates, helping you create a professional-looking website with ease. Coming up next, you will want to click on Flexible Customization for diverse needs. This option gives you the chance to tailor your website to match your agency's unique requirements. Flexibility and customization ensures your site stands out and properly reflects what your agency is all about. Finally, you'll circle back to Domains, as this is where you take the final steps in purchasing your hosting. Make sure everything is aligned the way you want it, and double-check your details before proceeding to payment. And there you have it, a thorough walkthrough of how to buy agency hosting at Hostinger for 2025. With these steps, you're well on your way to establishing a powerful online presence. Remember, taking your time with each step ensures that you'll have a solid foundation for your agency's website. If you have any questions or run into any hiccups, feel free to return to this tutorial for guidance. Thank you for watching, and happy hosting!